Hey Nom Noms. So today I'm going to make for you guys a staple that I always keep ready in my house. Super delicious, super simple, and it can go into a whole bunch of different dishes, so I think you're going to want to stick around and learn how I use this. So I'm going to finish my walk, pick up some groceries, and we'll meet back home. See you in a second. Alright guys, so the staple I want to show you today is actually just rice, but it's not just any rice. We're going to flavor it up real good so it's perfect to use in dishes the whole rest of the week after you make it. That's why it's a staple to me. I always keep it around. We need to rinse up 1 cup of rice. I just take a sieve. The holes are small enough that the rice won't fall through. Give it a rinse. Give it a toss. And there we go. Our rice is ready. We need 2.5 cups of water. Now here comes the flavorings and the part where we go off script and make it extra special. So of course we're going to do about 2 tablespoons of butter. Just throw that right in the water. Then I'm going to add this chicken better than bouillon. You could cook your rice in 2.5 cups of chicken stock. I find that works pretty well, but I can pack even more flavor in when I use the bouillon because I can make it denser. Do a big heaping forkful. That's probably like 2 tablespoons worth. Garlic, hot chili, ground cumin, coriander, chipotle powder, and cayenne, as well as Valentina. This is kind of a Southwest Mexican rice, and it's perfect for use in burritos, tacos, or what I like to do is to make a Mexican style fried rice. And for fried rice, you really need old rice, so I make this ahead of time, just keep it in the fridge. Garlic, hot chili, cayenne, coriander, chipotle, cumin, and our hot sauce. Now we just need to bring this to a boil. When you're making rice for fried rice, always use a long grain rice. I really like this basmati. It takes up whatever flavor I want to use with it really well. I often do a more like Asian inspired one with chicken stock and miso, a little soy sauce in there, little sesame oil, and that makes a great rice to use for fried rice. But basmati is your friend, super cheap. Hey Katie, I'm trying to work, okay? You already got your lunch. Okay, our water sounds like it's boiling. Yep, indeed-orino. Let's turn that down. We're gonna put in our rice. Give that a quick stir. All mixed up together. And we'll just leave this at a simmer covered for about 15 minutes. And then we'll have beautiful rice for whenever we want. All right, I think it's ready to go. Oh, that smells amazing. Fluff her up. Let's get a little sample here. Now I like to make mine just a touch undercooked. I think that really helps improve the texture of the rice. Forgot to turn off the timer. Undercooking really helps to improve the texture of the rice when you're using it again and again for other dishes, like reheating it in burritos we're making a fried rice. Oh, hot. But delicious and jam-packed with flavor. Just the right amount of texture to it, not quite crunch, but you don't want to have mushy fried rice, you know. And I can already tell this is screaming out to do a shrimp fried rice, Mexican style. And that's what I'm going to do for it in a day or two. Let the rice dry out and get old. I think that improves the texture even more. Wow, this is delicious. No more boring rice stinking up your plate with its blandness. I ain't got time for that. I only do flavor. Oh my God. Oh. If you guys have any rice tips and tricks, leave them in the comments, but I'm very happy with this one. I'm gonna have to start calling myself Dr. Rice. I hope you guys tune in a few days when you see how I use this.